Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with one of the biggest problems that affects first-time installations of the OBS Studio software. When you click on Start Recording, you are likely to get this error that says that starting failed to start recording starting the output field. Please check the log for details. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the video drivers for the OBS Studio are up to date. There's no way you're going to use the OBS Studio with this error. Many people use this software for streaming or screen recording purposes. So check the display graphics and make sure that the drivers are up to date. If you see in the properties that the device is working properly, that means that the drivers are up to date. So the next step is to go back to the OBS Studio, and once you're back in there, we are going to click on Settings. And once the settings open up, we're going to scroll down under Output. We're going to scroll down to the recording part. So in our settings initially, I put my settings for the video as hardware QSV H264. So what we do is to change it from hardware to software. So once we've made this change, we are going to click OK and then Apply. So once you do effect that change and you click on recording, you see now our OBS Studio is recording as expected. So that's how you solve that problem. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Remember to subscribe for more content on tech hacks.